Sagittarius, Sagittarius, September 15 to 20. Knock knock Sagittarius. So, welcome po sa channel Scorp's Work Tarot. So, hope everybody is well. Mga OFW, shout out po ako sa mga OFW. Yes, OFW din po ako, kaya magkwentuhan tayo. Another weekend. Holiday today sa lugar ko now, Sagittarius. So, kamusta po ang mga kapatid natin nasa Pilipinas? Ang mga circus na nangyayari dyan. Yes, circus ng DPWH at mga baha-baha. Kailan kaya matatapos siya ang problema ng Pilipinas? Meron pa bang redemption ng Pilipinas? Meron naman po. Well, we'll just keep on praying. Pero siguro sa next life ko na yon. Pinagdaanan ko na yung mga baha na yan. Kolehiyo pa lang ako, naglalakad na ako sa Moraita. Batang rekto po ako. Kaya kung sino man yung mga nag-aral sa rekto, alam niyo yan, di po ba? Kung nag-aral kayo sa Maynila, alam niya yung bahay niya sa Espanya, sa Sampaloc, Bulacan pa ako nang gagaling. Naglalakad ako minsan. Yes. Strike. Naglalakad ako. Wala kang masakyan eh. Tricycle. Napagod na ako din dyan. Kaya masarap mag-OFW. Yes, Sagittarius. So, pagyaman, hindi natin makontrol yan, pero pwede, may control tayo sa sitwasyon natin sa buhay. So, Sagittarius, tignan natin yung energy ni Sagittarius, September 15 to 21. Galit yung mga barahan niya. Knock, knock. Isa pa. Okay. Celebration with your friends. Celebration. Gusto natin ng celebration. Sino po bang ayaw niyaan? Lalo sa minamahal o naghahanap ka ng partnership, nakita mo na siya, meron kang dinidesisyonan kung sasagutin mo siya. Kung offer yan, didesisyonan mo siya, didesisyonan mo na either one way or the other. Hindi mo matatakasan yan. Hindi natin matatakasan ng pagdidesisyon. That's part of life. So, wag nating seryosohin po yung tarot. I mean, it's a depiction of life. Ito siya eh. Oh, ayaw. Nakahangman ka. Ayaw mo mag-decision. Decisionless. Decisionless is also a decision. Yes? Baguhin mo daw yung pananaw. Kung meron kang bagong pananaw or merong impluensya sa iyong nakapaligid sa iyo, kaya ka nagkakaroon ng indecision. It's coming from takot. Yeah. Mag-decision ka na daw ng mabilisan. Hinihintay mo yung advice. Hinihintay mo yung advice, Sagittarius. Hinihintay mo yung, oops, sandali. Hindi ito, magulo ito. Wait. Kunin ko tong isang card. Knock knock Sagittarius. Tignan ko. Mabagal. Mabagal ka o mabagal sila? Mabagal ka o mabagal sila? Mabagal ang magdedesisyon. Mabagal. Decision. O nakapag-desisyon ka na? Oh. Ano tong nangyari? It's for the better. I'm not saying that it's for the best of everybody, but it's for the better. Wala kang control. Wala kang control. Are you questioning something? Bakit nangyari yun? Or you're happy with the result? coming from the past. Meron kang inopera na pagmamahal, mahal sa buhay, o hinihintay mo yung pagmamahal na magmula sa iba. Meron kang hinihintay na pagmamahal sa nakaraan na iniwan, na nakapagpasaya sa'yo, o hinihintay mong yung or iniisip mo na yung desisyon na yun na ginawa mo sa palagay mo ay makapagpapasaya sa'yo. Very interesting. Pero ikaw yung magdidesisyon dito eh. Mukhang ikaw yung magdidesisyon dito. Pero may nangyari. Balikan ko tong card na isa. Merong nangyari. I think ang team mo is itong nangyari na ito. Ano itong tower moment mo na ito? Sa nakaraang desisyon o hindi pagdidesisyon, sa nakaraan may nangyari, merong kang minahal, merong kang mamahalin, nagdesisyon ka sa palagay mo makapagpapasaya sa'yo o nakapagpasaya sa'yo, at meron ka ulit hinihintay na desisyon. Okay. Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? Meron bang ganyan? Related sa negosyo. Nagdesisyon ka eh. Mali ang desisyon. At may nangyari sa desisyon na yun na wake up call sa'yo. Ngayon, kailangan mo ulit magdesisyon. Ayun na naman siya, oh. Parang nagguho yung daigdig mo dito, Sagittarius. Nagkumuho yung daigdig mo. Puro desisyon ka dito eh. Ano yung binibitin mong desisyon? Sagittarius? Oh, very interesting. Meron kang dinidesisyonan. Desisyon ka na naman dito. Pipiliin mo ba yung offer sa'yo na pagmamahal? Meron ka bang and ready ka na yata eh. Sabi dito, wala ka ng choice kundi gawin mo na. Binabasa ko lang po yung sumusungaw na card. Hindi i-resonate po natin. Masaya ka sa buhay mo eh, kasi parang independent ka naman na hindi mo naman kailangan pang magdesisyon eh. Masaya ka eh. Gusto yung I don't see you're lacking of something here. Kumbaga ito yung nagde-date. Okay naman yung status mo. Pero meron kang iniwan nung nakaraan, maaring boyfriend or girlfriend, na ito yung classic case example ng mga OFW na nag-abroad, iniwan yung girlfriend or boyfriend to look for a greener pasture, and then parang naiinip, one of you is parang naiinip na, and ito na naman yung Knight of Cups na ito, ikaw o siya naghihintay na magbigay ng offer of, hey, magsama na tayo. Ganon tipo yan. Ngayon, meron kang tower moment na it can be a discovery. You discover something. Hindi ko alam. Ano ba itong na-discover mo na ito? That makes you indecisive. Or you're starting to question. Meron bang ganyan? You're starting to question here. I think it's this. You're starting to question something. You're starting to question something. Yeah. Okay, you're starting to question his or her belief, or if that decision that you're gonna make will make you happy, or you just made a decision, it did make you happy, pero hindi ka makapag-decision because it's something in the past na something. Okay, yung arrange, ano ba tawag doon, yung marriage by, yung ina-arrange ng tatay at nanay. I don't know bakit pumasok ito. But you have to follow the advice of your parents, something, and that person you thought na inspirasyon mo kasi nag-offer ka, merong offer ng pagmamahal. Okay? Nagdi-decision ka, or marami kang choices ngayon. It can be you just realize na hindi pala yung original na offer mas maganda because you have found somebody new na mas maganda yung offer. And you want to decide, or hinihintay mo yung decision because you can decide kung you want to let go of the other one. It's a classic case of multiple, it's not an affair. I think it's, sigurista ka rin eh. Sigurista din itong Sagittarius na ito. Conforming or not conforming. Pero alam mo yung gusto mo. I think alam mo yung gusto mo, Sagittarius. Alam mo yung gusto mo. Something has happened. There is an offer of love. Okay. Lumilitaw na naman siya. Ito, lumitaw na naman yung decision again. You've been burdened. You've been juggling a lot of things in the past. You're making a decision. Ayaw mo mag-decide, and all of a sudden, binuhusan ka ng tubig na malamig. You have to make a decision. That's how it is. When you make that decision, you move to another stage of your life wherein you are happy. And it's not because you are no longer happy. You are look again another stage of decision, because yung decision na nangyari, it's somehow affecting, may effect yung decision na yun in what's happening right now. Okay, that's the storyline, and you want to, I don't see any regret in that past decision because you are happy on that one. Classic case of moving to another country or migrating. Okay, you save money, ginawa mo yung dapat mong gawin, and then you are out to another venture of migrating. Typical. Okay, you're happy in the present stage and you're gonna move to another stage of choices. And now you're a little bit skeptical. Skeptical ka naman ngayon. Because yung isasama mo sa sitwasyon na yon, it seems that he or she cannot decide. And you're on your own. Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan? Gustong sundin mo lang naman yung yung original plan. Wala kang gustong baguhin sa storyboard kung ano man yung what you just created. You created something here. Kumbaga sana everything is set. You buy a house, you're willing to move somewhere, and hindi synchronize now yung original plan. It's no longer the same as what you originally planned out. Why? Kung ikaw ito, is either one of you doesn't have that anymore interest, there must be some reason bakit. Yes? Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan? The tower moment at saka itong indecisiveness mo. Kung ikaw itong indecisiveness mo. Very interesting. You know, yun lang naman ang goal mo eh. You want the happiness. That's what makes you happy. Yung earlier decision ninyo, kung meron, this is something. Kasi there's an offer, so there must be an exchange of energy. Apparently, yung original na nag-offer, nawala yung interest sa original decision making. Yung plano is no longer there. And then, ito na naman siya, oh. Unless there's a different, iba yung gusto mong patunguhan na now. Ikaw yung nawalan ng interest na to move to that direction. You rewrite your whole narrative. Meron bang ganon? Yung isa sa inyo, nire-write yung original plan, yung original narrative. Tipong, okay, bibili tayo ng kotse. Yes, okay, ipon tayo. Okay, yes, agree na tayo dyan. And then, you tick all the boxes. How do you define, sorry po, inom lang ako ng tubig. How do you define that happiness of yours? Definitely, maraming taong influence here. Madami akong nakitang personality here. And somehow, kung ano man yung naka-apekto sa'yo, it redefines your definition. And that causes multiple breakout. Meron bang ganyan? Meron. Nagbabago yung pakiramdam mo now. Hindi na yung pag-ibig mo. It's no longer that intense. O meron kang somebody intense. You have the multiple opportunity here. You're confused now. You are confused now who to choose. Kung yun, if merong other people involved, I do not see kung ito is a different, if the same person who offer you that cups of love, ayan siya, oh, is a double validation. There was an intent of offer. Merong magkakaroon ng mutual exchange of love here. Ngayon, nagkaroon ka ng crossroad. Why? Bakit ka nagkaroon ng indecision? Kasi nga, i-redefine mo ngayon yung offer. Kung baga sa nag-offer sa'yo ng trabaho, magka-counter offer ka. Meron bang ganyan? Kasi ang gusto mo na ngayon, originally, maghanap, gusto mo yung trabaho sa malaking kumpanya, pero hindi ka natanggap. Well, okay, nagtyaga ka sa maliit na kumpanya, pero ganun din yung negosyo. Halimbawa, ngayon, na-promote ka dun sa maliit na kumpanya kasi then meron exchange of love doon. And then all of a sudden, yung malaking kumpanya, nilapitan ka. Yes? Pero masaya ka naman doon sa maliit na kumpanya. Masaya ka doon eh. Okay? Yun ang things of the past mo, yung maliit na kumpanya. Yung dynamics ng relationship mo doon sa maliit na kumpanya, you value it. Eh, nagkaroon ka ng ng ibang offer ulit eh. Gusto mong i-redefine. Ayaw mong iwan yung maliit na kumpanya, pero yung malaking kumpanya may nag-o-offer sa'yo na mas malaking pagmamahal. Ano ang definition mo ng malaking pagmamahal na yan? Gusto mong tumalon. Ngayon, yung maliit na kumpanya, sa amin ganun, sige, mag-stay ka rito, bibigyan kita ng whatsoever. Yung desire mo is there. Pero, gusto mong i-redefine ngayon. What would make you happy to stay there? Okay? Maraming, ito eh. Marami siyang, this is a complex thing. Maraming affected dito. You have the offer with, in your, yung passion mo will even make it bigger to the next level. Ika nga, it's a new one. It's new to you. So, nasa crossroad ka na, tatanggapin ko ba yun? Or, eto ikaw eh. Nag-iisip ka kung tatanggapin mo yun. Wala kang maling ginawa dito. Kasi sinunod mo lahat ng dapat mong gawin bilang empleyado. Okay? It's a relationship. You connect that kung paano po mag-play sa yun. You're in the crossroad. It's expansion. Yes? Meron ba ganyan, Sagittarius? Kuha pa ako ng isang card dito. Final one, i-close bago natin i-close ito. I cannot give you advice, and I don't want to give you any advice here. Even the tarot card is saying you are weighing. Okay? Pero hindi mo natakasan kasi nga yan minsan yung mga joke ng buhay. Tignan ko kung saan ako kukuha. Siguro dito. Okay. Tignan natin. Ayan, Hangman. And you just want to live quietly. You just want to live quietly. Ayan, resetting. There's nothing wrong on that. And typical na ito yung mga nagtatrabaho sa abroad na they know what they want. I don't see anything na it's causing you any untoward stress or something. Meron bang untoward stress? Maybe some, kapag hindi kaya yung ganitong it's a beautiful thing. For me, it's a beautiful thing. Okay, may curiosity nangyari sa'yo dito. Na-curious ka. Na-curious ka dito. Gusto mong buhayin ulit yung did you lose your identity? Kasi when yung sabi kong example ko, yung maliit na kumpanya na yon, maliit na lang yung kumpanya. So, I mean, room for growth in terms of relationship, limited siya. Okay? Yun ang original mo eh. Kaya gusto mong i-redefine. Okay. Gusto mong i-redefine. Win-win ka dito, Sagittarius. You need to redefine who you are. And malaki yung are you connected to any church or something? I'm not gonna create any story kapag sa mga church, religion, something like that. Strong yung mo doon strong yung energy mo on following rules. Okay? You following it. You just want to pumasok yung redefining. Okay? Redefining. That is redefining. Is a new transformation. Nire-redefine mo na kung ano yung needs mo. Nire-redefine mo siya. Are you experimenting something here? You're experimenting. Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? It looks like you're experimenting. Kasi kung ano man yung thought process mo nung kabataan ka, nagtrabaho ka sa maliit na kumpanya, pero ang thought process mo, gusto mong magtrabaho sa malaking kumpanya, okay? Yun ang definition mo na what would make you happy. Pinalo mo yung standard, pinalo mo yung rules. Ngayon, bumabalik sa drawing board kasi yung nagkaroon ka ulit ng another offer. Yun yung puso mo. Ngayon, bumabalik ka ngayon sa backward, gusto mo na siyang i-redefine. You have a different definition. After this tower moment, kung ano man yung na-discover mo na yun, meron kang na-discover actually. Is it discovered to yourself or somebody else? Kaya kumbaga sa kailangan mong patayin yung sarili mo just to, I mean, not literally, it's not that, change your perspective. Ayan siya, yung hangman. We all undergo that energy, okay? Anything na hindi na magsaserve sa'yo, you transform yourself. Hindi po ganun kadali yun. Kung talaga, kung ang sakit mo ay talagang hindi ka matulungin, maawain, and all of a sudden, tutulong ka. Agree? Or palagi kang mabait, all of a sudden, hindi ka na magiging mabait. Hindi naman masamang maging mabait or something, Depende po yun sa situation. Redefine mo yung sarili mo, but you're going through that change as well. Kung hindi mo pa ginagawa itong change na to, alam mo na it's gonna happen, Sagittarius. The energy is telling here sa tarot na yung indecision mo na yan, it's not gonna last long, because one way or the other, kung hindi ka makapag-decide, something will shake you up. Kung na-discover mo na kung ano man yung something that will shake you up to jump, wala kang, we don't have any control on that one. Meron bang kaya Sagittarius? Yeah, very interesting. Shout out po tayo mga OFW. Kuha lang ako ng another card. Tingnan ko kung ano pa yung gustong sabihin noong tarot card. Tingnan natin kung yung message ng moon. Yeah? Okay. So, Sagittarius, ano yung message, oracle message, September 15 to 21. One oracle card. Tingnan natin. Sagittarius. This is a heavy reading as well. This is a heavy reading. Sagittarius. That indecision of yours is not something na itutulog mo lang. I don't see anything na it transform you. It transform you. Okay. Cow. Anong sabi ng cow? Okay. A new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. O, ayan na. Wala na akong, hindi na to hinokus-pocus. Ay, wag kang matakot. That's how it is. Ito yan, no? I do not know. Curious lang ako, ano ba to? Kung may naka-resonate kay Sagittarius, ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Okay. If it's a new love, yes. But it's mostly, it's related to love. Anything close to you in the past. That's all I can see. There's an element of past. You redefine. That is transformation. So, kung gusto mong dating ng puting pintura ng bahay, ngayon gusto mo na maging pula siya or green or something, it transform you. May effect yung kulay, di ba? Di po ba? Because may nangyari na you're out of control. It have to happen. A new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. Kung hindi, ayan siya blooming. I forgot kung ano yung flower na ito. Yeah. So, it's gonna happen. Na-curious ka eh. There was a curiosity. Alam mong mangyayari eh. Naamoy mo siya eh. Ngayon, it's either you're gonna go to left or you're gonna go to the right. I don't think you have a choice there. You're doing the alchemy. Yes. Sagittarius. This is a beautiful reading. I wonder what it is. Eh? Very interesting. Okay. Yeah. So, Sagittarius, September 15 to 21. So, enjoy lang po tayo kung naka-resonate, ha? So, salamat po. See you again.